Stand. She's going to pray. The person going to preach. Okay, you just bless the food.
Bless us, our Lord, for this life which you are about to receive from thy bounty, through Christ our Lord. Amen.
Amen.
That was quick. She must be hungry.
It's not fun time.
Does me?
Alright, second one.
Have your own plate. Yay!
Smells tasty.
So it's 2023, Eva. Your first January in Canada. One, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good and full.
You feel? You're feeling full.
Yeah. With all the yummy and sumptuous food. Uncle them. Oh.
I got the spider thing.
You got a spider face painting on here.
Yesterday.
How was that? What did she say? Okay. So what's the goal for 2023?
Our goal is for him to pass and level up in the second year. That's the basic. I don't want to think of anything as long as he passed and moved to second year.
Yeah.
That's our goal.
That's it.
No, and then just work and live,
Gotcha.
live one day at a time.
And how are you feeling, sir? Yes, sir.
I'm feeling stuff. 4 plates. No wonder.
Well, 4.25.
4.25, yeah. You calculated everything. You're really a banker.
Oh, man. Yeah.
4.25.
And Simone, you're officially 1 year in Canada.
Yeah.
You came last January.
Yeah, 3 weeks away.
3 weeks away from a seal year. Shadian has completed his first year.
Yeah.
On to the second year. How was your first year?
First year, challenging, fun, lots of first moments, but was all worth it. I
All
would
worth
say.
it.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Shadian, like coming here last January, uncertainty, not knowing what the future holds. Is there any regrets over the past year? Anything that you said that you probably would have, like, if you could have chosen one thing to say that it's either exactly what you thought it would have been or it's not what you thought it would have been, what would that be?
It's what I thought it was and more.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, and more. Some stuff, as Simone said, there's lots of firsts with a lot of stuff, but it's more good than bad. That I can say. So yeah.
Can't get over them.
Agree.
These guys went sledding today. I might put a footage here where this guy is.
I agree. Hey, Team Jamaica, where are you guys?
You have to go in the side.
You guys shouldn't miss this. Eva and Jasmine's already done on their first try. And they're on their way up. Look at them. Look at Eva. She's double jump. She's dragging Jasmine all the way up. I agree with what Shaq said. There's a lot of goods and bad.
A lot of goods and bad? What are some of the bads? Tell me.
I can't think of anything that happened.
The best was meeting you guys.
Really?
Yeah, don't
Because-
make them cry. It's New Year.
Look at
Don't make them
Eva.
all cry.
No, because
I won't cry. Probably have that last piece of ribs though.
no, I'm always telling Joshua because we don't have any relatives here and we feel like we're at home because we found
That's
friends.
because you are at home.
Yeah, because we found friends and like with the same characteristic that we have.
Characteristics.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like we love to just laugh and enjoy life, right?
Okay.
So that's
Same attitude.
yeah, and same goal
Yeah.
Citizenship.
Citizenship. Citizenship, guys. That's the goal. That's the goal.
That's the goal.
That's the goal.
Yeah.
And Mika, how are you feeling? Oh, Mika's already know. I love talking with Mika. And that's what's your plan for?
Oh my
Liz,
God.
why don't like you eat so much? What's your plan for 2023 in a nutshell? No, you're not entering into what, your 4th year in Canada.
Wow, 4 years.
It's another January. How are you feeling? Optimistic. Okay. Is there anything over like the period in Canada that you can say that you have learned that will make this year better than the previous year?
Hard work does pay off. So it's for me now to actually work a little harder, push harder, and actually accomplish stuff that I want to attain. Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, then, guys, turn the camera from me.
Okay, that's the instructor. That's the instructor over there doing some graded recitation to everyone. Okay.
So, also entered into my 4th year in Canada. One of the biggest things I can say that I have learned is this Canadian journey will teach you patience.
See the heads bowing.
Patience in every sense of the word, right? Especially when it comes on to IRCC and waiting on like a reply, right? But it also teaches you how to remain humble and grateful, because like when you are a temporary resident, it's like you're uncertain, right? And like it's from one stage to the other stage, and oftentimes it will work out, but like you don't know the outcome, right? And because of that, we are usually like happy but still reserved in our happiness, because we kind of like a little bit hesitant. We kind of want to celebrate too quick, and what do I get what I'm saying? But patience and humility. And what am I looking forward towards 2023 is personal growth and development, of course, and just building meaningful relationships with these lovely people, plus all of you guys who might come to Alberta, might come to Grande Prairie, who might meet, whatever case may be. One word of advice though is to always remain positive, always remain grateful, and don't be distracted. You're here. You're here. You're here.
Yeah.
You're here.
Money here.
Cup is empty, but
Happy New Year, guys. We are so happy and blessed to meet you, really. It's like we love you guys so
does your
much.
shirt say wifey?
Yes, it does say wife. Yes,
Where's my jacket?
Oh, you don't, lumaki
You had a
na.
jacket
Because
to match it?
Yeah, we have matching hubby and wifey, but he became so big, so now.
Oh yeah, obviously it was a big jacket before.
She cooked your food.
Yeah.
It's her fault.
Yeah, it's her fault.
Yeah,
Yeah.
now it's a crop top.
Yeah. It was a jacket before.
Before it was a jacket, now it's a crop top. But I didn't throw.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, but the feeling is mutual. Like
Yeah.
we met
And you guys are really inspiration to us. Every time we watch, how you started and how you become, we are now. Yeah, we really.
It's like a curse word.
We are really so happy because we back in Dubai when we were starting the planning. We watched all your vlogs and we're just like, how does it feel to know them?
Yeah.
Like you and not right? Like you're in the other part of the world and you're kind of like looking forward to meet this person because you
Yeah,
were
it's
in
the same.
place.
Like I remember, like it was. It almost felt like it was just yesterday.
Yeah.
Even Simone was like on the phone with Nats and she was like crying and she's like, oh, I'm gonna give up. I don't feel like, and I'm like, and she's been here now 1 year, pretty much.
Yeah.
She's been here 1 year.
Oh my God! And I was so surprised that you were refused as well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Oh
You
yeah.
refused.
that was before they
We
met
were.
us. That was before they met us.
Yeah, it's
man.
really heartbreaking. My God, it's like for 4 days. You know, I need to go to work.
Why is
But
Molly a threat of
please don't talk to me. I don't want to talk. I was like, it's really heartbreaking. But
Yeah.
look at us now, right?
Exactly.
We didn't give up,
Exactly.
and we're gonna be with, you know, like
100%.
Say PR, no, say PR.
Look at us right now. We're heartbroken. No.
We're so happy.
Yeah.
We're so
We're-
And you know, even on the live that I was doing today, like somebody says, ask a question, how do you bounce back after 2 refusals?
Oh,
That's you.
that's
It's
the
the
How do you bounce
motivated.
back after 2 refusals?
Oh, you know, read the person who had a lot more than 2 refusals. You know, that's why when I got the first refusal, I still have a positive attitude towards it because you know I've read one lady. She's Filipina. She's young and she, you know what? How many refusals she got? 25.
What?
Whoa!
She tried every
book of
single
record?
pathways. Express entry with family, individual, like a temporary foreign worker, and then she ended up being international student with individual, with family, with. My
I think
God.
every pathway was
And
tried.
no, you know what? She's in Bow Valley.
Yeah.
She went to Bow Valley College, and she's still young. She's like 31 years old, 30 years old. She got 3 kids as well, and now she's I think she's not uploading any vlogs anymore. Maybe because she's busy, but
Yeah.
she joined a pageant in Calgary, and now I think she's there settling down in
Oh
BC.
man.
But 25. Imagine
25.
that. How hard she tried.
So how do you bounce back after
See,
2
after
refusals?
25 refusals.
Exactly.
That's why I was like, oh, this is just a first. And the good thing with the international student pathway, we can always reapply.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Immediately.
Yes.
There's no waiting period. Right? There's no
But
waiting
it's really
period.
heartbroken, but yeah. You
Yeah.
gotta do what you gotta
like,
do.
Luckily, like I've never like experienced a refusal
25.
as an individual because like probably Universal that we couldn't afford a refusal. Like legit, like when we were applying, before we even got our reply, we sold all our furniture. Everything was sold because like that's the only way we could have gotten the money, right? So we only had like a fridge, a bed, and everything was sold. Everything was sold, right? So we had one shot because when we decided that we were coming to Canada, we decided that listen, it's all or nothing.
Yeah.
We like I remember we didn't even sleep. We were just up doing research.
And the thing is, we didn't have much first place. Like, okay, the internet have it, ISCC app, but you want first an experience like how we are giving it out to persons. There was nothing like that.
Yeah, nothing is
Except
like
for
in Grand Prairie.
Oh,
itself.
Christina.
Yeah.
was the only YouTuber.
And Chris, she was in Ontario.
Yeah,
So like
we were coming to Grande Prairie and there was
even when we put in pictures of Grande Prairie, all we see is old photos of
Yeah.
I can agree with that.
Yeah.
Like,
When
we
I'm
never started
searching-
stuff until you guys
Yeah.
started.
Exactly. When I'm searching that, okay, this is the place we're gonna have the, we're gonna choose the school, and then I'm searching in Google. It's like, what is this place? And then in YouTube, I'm searching Grande Prairie vlogger Filipinos, and he's the one always appearing. So maybe there's no Filipino vlogger. So I watched his first video. That was the touring around.
Yeah.
So now we have like I'm showing Josh. Look, this is Grande Prairie. Look. Because he's always doing the tour
Yeah.
in the bus and
He was
walking.
roaming around.
And then I've searched about and in the school, you're so skinny
showed
that
everything
time.
in the-
Ah,
You gotta cut that.
another fat joke.
Cut that part.
Another fat joke. He was killing it tonight.
Yeah, and we watch how you. And that time I don't know what phone you are using. It's really blurred. It's like it's not clear, and
I
your
was
head.
using-
I think those were the few new vlogs.
Eva is day one.
Yeah.
When the video was like this.
Yeah, shake.
Yeah. I was like, and we were like, oh my God, where is it? See, guys, and we're like, oh,
Oh yeah, that's the floor.
it's so big.
The floor is so big.
Oh my gosh.
We're like laughing at it, like, oh, that's a cafeteria. That's where we're gonna apply for a job, like a dishwasher. And we're just
Yeah,
laughing.
that's how
and
we
laughing.
actually like foreseen ourselves.
Yeah,
Like
we were
Yeah.
gonna apply as dishwasher.
And you did it.
We will take
And how many jobs have you gotten since you've been here?
6.
Have you ever worked as a dishwasher?
No,
Okay.
never. Thank God.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I'm not even talking to you because where is she? I'm not even talking to you because you guys probably not know, but within less than a year, this young lady right here has left from being uncertain and them driving around with her to drop off resumes to here, there, and everywhere to become a manager by herself. This young lady right here.
Oh, that's good, Simone. I'm
Okay.
looking forward for that for myself.
You
But,
will.
yeah.
That's the thing, right? I was also telling persons that it's beneficial to start. Well, everyone is different, right? But like for persons like us who we're not rich, we don't come with a lot of money. Like the money that we come with is just to take us to the next position to get a job, right? So coming to a small town makes more sense for persons who don't have a lot of money, who just wants to have a quick start, hit the ground running, and transition, compared to going to a big city where more competition,
everything is expensive.
everything is expensive.
Your travel time is longer.
Exactly.
That hits you on your maintenance in the car, petrol,
Exactly.
everything.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So guys, explore small towns.
Yeah.
If you're even going to Ontario, don't go to Toronto. Go to find a small town outside of Toronto.
Right.
If you're going to wherever, don't go to the
Big
populated
cities.
areas. Right? There's gonna be more competition. There's gonna be
Stiff competition.
Yeah.
Saturated market.
and
I
I
would
know
say it's not a pretty good idea.
and I know a lot of you guys watching this vlog right now probably saying, "Oh, but I came here and it worked for me." Yeah, because you guys had money.
Exactly.
I'm talking to the folks who don't have any money.
Don't have any money, guys.
Be open to schools.
Yeah.
You apply to one school and it never work out. There's a reason why it never work out for that school or for that city or for that town.
Yeah.
Look at something else because, like for us,
Mhm.
you guys know there's a lot of firsts for us this year, and if we had went to Lethbridge,
Mhm.
a lot of stuff that is accomplished this year may not have happened.
Mhm.
Yeah,
But
So-
you're right where you're supposed to be,
yeah,
and that's what we have learned as well. Like even this right now, everyone here, we are right where we're supposed to be.
Yeah.
You get what I mean?
That is
You
so real.
Exactly.
you can't.
I love my job.
Yeah. He's, by the way, he's
Very
made
chill
for that
job.
job. He's made for that job. That job was made for this guy.
He's so good in that.
He's good.
I didn't even apply. But I got called.
I've tried to be him, but I
It
couldn't.
didn't work out.
No, it didn't work. So.
No, like he's made.
Oh, by the way, I haven't told you guys. I was converted from a seasonal sales associate to a part-time.
Oh,
They changed my contract.
This guy's now full-time part-timer.
Yeah, that's correct,
I'm the
Tar.
part-timer who works full-time.
That is so cool. Only in Canada.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, full-time, part-timer.
But
yeah,
that's progress,
full-time,
man. That's
full-time.
progress.
Oh yeah.
That shows that you are doing a good job on there. Like
Absolutely.
as soon as you're done with school, you'll probably be full-time.
Yeah, it's just my managers asked me like, "You want to stay?" Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna.
That's
process
Jake?
your paper. Yeah.
Big up yourself, Jake.
Jay is the boss, you know?
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah, it's chill.
Yeah.
Next time you see him, say Satriaka. Sashiraka. That's you guys don't know Sashiraka? You were in Dubai. That's the Indian greeting.
Yeah, we know only Namaste. Kesahe.
Kesahe. Sashiraka. I know Shukriya, I know Tanvad.
Punjabi, that's Punjab.
That's Punjab.
Yeah.
That's Punjabi, but you have to know the difference between Punjabi and Hindi.
They're
Yeah,
different.
Hindi is
different.
They're
Tanvad.
different.
Yeah.
They're different.
Hey guys, do you know that I know greetings in 7 different languages now? Hey, put the camera on me.
Come.
Let me greet you
Okay.
in Filipino.
Okay.
Kamusta po? Answer. Kamusta po? Mabuti.
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 Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay.
Okay. Sashriaka.
3.
That's 3, right? Of course, English hello. I'll go Ondai, which is
Sri Lankan.
Sri Lankan Ondai. I'll go Juma Pedamar, como se va? That's French.
What?
Let's go on. Let's go. I'll go probably. Of course, I can go Spanish. That's basic. Hola.
Arabic.
Arabic.
Dad,
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
What am I?
Japanese.
Japanese is
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. That one is general. So now I told you Indian, Sashriaka, Filipino, Kamusta po, French, Kamusava, Spanish, Ola, English, hello, Sri Lankan, Ondai,
7. What's Arabic?
Arabic, Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, Eva's gonna teach us something new. Okay.
Susai.
No,
Susoy.
it's a Filipino dialect
Okay.
from their region.
Different from
Visaya.
Tagalog?
Visaya, yeah, different Tagalog.
Okay.
Tagalog is our national language.
Dialect.
However, it's a dialect. This is a dialect.
Like Patwa.
You can teach him the word good evening.
Mayong gabi.
Yeah.
Mayong gabi.
So you learned something new today, right?
That's Bisaya.
That's what you call Visaya.
Bisaya.
Okay, that's crazy. I also know other words as well, like in Indian, I know Shukriya, I know Tanvad.
Yeah.
Filipino, I know Salama po, Salama, yes po, Ingat. What else?
Meron din ang bomba clot.
And Rasclat! Bambaklat!
Rasclat.
Why we look like a Thailander?
Pamaklat! Rasklat! That's crazy. Guys, it's the next morning. You guys can tell that we had way too much fun last night. Including Malia. it was yeah. Guys, it was a vibe. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. I really hope that you guys were able to get some value from it as usual, and just definitely see fit to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, and just if you haven't done so already, just smash a like on the video and drop a comment. Alright guys, let me know where you're watching from. Huge shout out to Eva and Joshly. Huge shout out to Shadine and Simone, Ailey and the kids. You guys are wonderful people. You guys are awesome, and I just want to wish, not just for you guys, but for everyone else who's watching this video, that you guys will have a fulfilling new year, prosperous new year, a year that is filled with blessings in abundance, both health and wealth, and all the small mediocre goals that you might think is small, even those will become a fruition as well, in addition to the big massive goals as well. There's nothing too big to achieve. You can do it. It's possible. It's yours. In Jamaica, this is what you would call fresh. Everyone fresh. We were up so late last night. It's a good thing that there's no work today. What is everyone looking like today? Anyway, just drop a comment. Let me know. Again, all the best for 2023. Love you guys. You guys are an awesome community, and hopefully we get to meet one day as well here in Canada. Alright guys, until next time, be safe. See you guys in the next video.